The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 73, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Kansas, Atchison, Douglas, Erie, Jackson, Jefferson, Morris, Osage, Pottawatomie, Riley, Shawnee, and Wabunsee. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 73 has been issued from 12:05 p.m. until 7 p.m. for the following counties: in Kansas, Atchison, Douglas, Erie, Jackson, Jefferson, Morris, Osage, Pottawatomie, Riley, Shawnee, and Wabunsee. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK91 in Topeka, Kansas.
The current time is 12:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time.